Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to set 21 EMA in TradingView. If you're aiming to enhance your trading strategy, mastering how to set and customize the 21 EMA can be a game changer. It helps you track market trends with precision, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Let's dive right into it. To start, open your chart in TradingView. Look for the Indicators button at the top of the toolbar. You can also quickly access it by pressing the / key on your keyboard. Once you're in, you'll find a vast selection of indicators. A little tip here, don't get overwhelmed. Simply use the search bar to type in EMA or Exponential Moving Average. With just a few keystrokes, the built-in Exponential Moving Average will appear. Click on it to add it to your chart seamlessly. Next, let's set the EMA period to 21. On your TradingView interface, find the chart legend. You'll likely see an EMA label, followed by a default number, which could be something like 9 or 20. This number represents the default BMA length. Look for the gear icon next to it and click to open the indicator settings. In the Inputs tab, you'll see a field labeled Length. Change this number to 21. This sets the EMA period we're focusing on today. Leave the source field as is, typically set to close by default. This is common among traders. Now, let's move on to the style. This is where you can customize how your EMA appears on the chart. Make it more visible by changing its color, adjusting the thickness, or even choosing a dash style that suits your preference. Picking a style that stands out against your chart's background is crucial for quick visual recognition, especially during active trading. Once you're happy with the style, press OK to apply all your settings. Take a moment to observe how the 21 EMA now lies perfectly across your chart. It's ready to assist you in making more informed trading decisions. By following these simple steps, you've effectively set up the 21 EMA in TradingView to keep an eye on longer-term trends. Feel free to explore additional indicators that might complement your setup. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to set 21 EMA in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.